Carousels are back on Instagram, and adding them into the rotation of your content strategy is smart if you want to boost the engagement on your posts. Although today's carousels look a little different than they used to, as we're seeing users incorporate really creative design elements to stand out. So let's dive into the 7 trends that you can use to help your post pop. With a lot of today's trends, it's all about combining nostalgic elements with today's digital world. And our first trend kicks that off with stickers. So we're seeing elements of images being cut out to create these digital stickers that are being added all over carousel slides. To get this effect, use the background remover tool in Canva to cut out objects and images that would make fun stickers and that relate to your brand and carousel theme. So for example, for this hot stock template, we looked for wellness images in the library that stuck out from the background, like this candle image. And then you can also go into the settings to erase or restore parts of your selection. Next up, we're seeing creators outline elements in their photos. So think bold white or black outlines around your subject or objects in the photo. It's perfect for drawing attention to important elements while keeping your design clean and modern. To get this effect, you can either create cutouts like we did in trend 1, or if you want to keep the background like we did in this hot stock template, then you'll put in your background image, make a copy of it and paste over top, then select edit, magic grab, and click on the item that you want to cut out. This will separate the selection you grab from the rest of the photo, so make sure that you delete the background of the photo that you don't need. Now you can overlay the cutout to line up with the background photo. Select the top cutout layer, go to Edit, Shadows, and then add your outline. You can also adjust the size and the color if you want. Movement is everything in 2025, and to incorporate that, add subtle animated elements to your carousels like text that fades in or icons that pop. These animations are going to keep viewers engaged and scrolling through every one of your slides. Just don't go overboard with the animations. You want to pick key headings or tips that you want to stand out. Canva makes it super easy to do this trend. So with your design in Canva, pick the element that you want to animate. Just remember to use it strategically. So I'm going to use it to bring attention to the stickers in my slide. Once your elements are selected, click animate and then choose from one of the animate selections that Canva has. Just make sure to download any slides with animations as MP4s to add to your carousel on Instagram. For trend number 4, vintage inspired scrapbook elements are having a major moment. So think of your ripped paper, Polaroid frames, sticky tape, and little handwritten doodles. Hotstock has a ton of different graphics packs that have great options for this trend. So for example, in these Hotstock carousel templates, we've used elements from the packs like paper textures for our backgrounds, Polaroid frames, paper clips, doodles, and tape. You can also search for these elements within Canva and incorporate them. These details are going to add depth and texture to your carousels, making them feel really curated and unique. And these trendy carousels feel like they've just been ripped out of your personal notebook and shared with your followers. For trend number 5, raw and relatable content is thriving, and screenshots are a great way to deliver that. We're seeing people share snippets of text messages, testimonials, or even screenshots of their notes app to add authenticity. Just make sure that they're easy to read and align with your brand aesthetic. You can do this simply by screenshotting directly from your phone or computer screen and then overlaying it on an image in Canva. Or you can use one of these templates like the templates we've created for Hotstock, where we've created these elements that look like they're screenshots, but they're completely customizable so that you can add your own text. The next trend goes hand in hand with the cutout sticker trend and the overall scrapbooking trend that we're seeing, and it's incorporating little touches of handwritten fonts that curve around objects in our photos. All you need to do for this trend is select a photo as your background that isn't super busy where your text would be lost in. Then select a font that looks handwritten and write out your phrase. You're probably going to have to write the phrase in multiple text boxes depending on the size of your text as well as the curves that you're following in the image. But what you'll do is write out your first part, use the effects tab, and then curve to get the right curve to match the image, and continue that process with your other text boxes till it follows the natural curve in your image. And lastly, to expand the reach of your posts even more, we're adding trending audios not only to our reels on Instagram, but also our feed posts now. So make sure that you're checking your Instagram's Explore page regularly to spot the latest trending sounds and align them with your posts. If you want to start designing your business's content with trending visuals but don't know where to start, then you'll want to check out the Hotstock membership. Inside our exclusive members only library, you'll get access to designer-made on-trend templates like the ones featured in today's video, thousands of stock photos, stock videos, and monthly marketing guides to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching. If you want more Instagram content tips, then watch our video, How to Create Instagram Reels with Stock Videos.